Hi everyone, in this following video, I'll be showing you the ways to file back taxes on TurboTax. In order to file back taxes on TurboTax, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Now, you have to first thing gather your tax documents and access your TurboTax. That means log in into your account. Once logged in, you'll need to start a new tax return for the tax year. Look for an option to start a new tax return or file for a different tax year. Follow the prompt to enter your personal information, including your name, address, social security number, and other relevant details. Then input all the resources of income you received during the tax year you're filing for, and this may include wages, interest, deviant, renatal income, and any other income as well. Then you can go ahead and enter any deductions and credits you're eligible, such as the standard deduction, itemized deduction, and all that. And then you can go ahead and review and file your return. After that, you can go ahead and pay any taxes owed, and once you've done that, you can submit your return. After that, you can keep the record, and so that's how you can file back taxes on TurboTax. So that's how you can file back taxes on TurboTax. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.